Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to insert a table in Word document. So for that, you need to open Word document in your laptop, and then you need to go from here insert point, and here you can see an option of table. So from this you can select the table, how many number of columns and how many number of rows you need to add in your table. So if I need to add 4 columns and 4 rows in my Word document, I will select these and then I will click on and then the table has been inserted into my Word document. So I need to adjust now about table design and its layout, and I also need to change the border style of the table. So what I need to do, I will click here on this option, I will double click, and then I will go to this table design here. So from this table design you can see different types of designs are there. So you can select any design according to your choice, according to your requirement. For example, if I select this one, or if I select like this colored one, or else if I go to only this table. So this is the design of table that I choose for my document, and I need to keep the data of table whatever I have written in my table. For example, like this one, and I want my data to be presented within the center. So what I need to do, I will select here from this top corner, and then I will go to table layout, and here you can see this data or this written portion has been aligned to the left corner of that row, each row of the table. So I want my data to be presented in the center, so I will click here. So if I want to present my data in the center, I will click on this option. Or if I want my data to be presented in center but towards the left side, I will click this option. Or if you want to present in the right side, you can click here. So here you can make your data to be aligned within the center, either in the center or in the left or right option. So after selecting this I can also do some kind of changes. For example, I will reduce the size of the table to this one, and now you can see that the table has been positioned toward the left side. So I want my table to be in the center. So this table layout design, this is for positioning the text in different directions, either left, right, or in center. But if I want to position table itself in the center, I will go to this home option and I will click here this center option. So the table position will be towards the center. So if I want to make it towards the left or right, I will click these options, and if I want to make it justified, I will click Control J or simply by this. So I will place this table in the center like this one. So here in this way you can do any kind of changes. You can change the design of your table by adding all these borders or design. You can change the table layout, and you can position the direction of the table. Okay, so if I need to remove the borders of this table, what will I do? If I have to remove all the borders for this table, I will click on the top corner of the table, and then I will go here. From this option you can select which border you want to remove. If I want to remove the bottom border, I will click on this, and here you will see the bottom line has been removed. But if I want to remove the upper line, I will again go here and I will remove the top line. But if I want to remove all the borders, I will click here no borders. So all the lines will disappear. And again, if you want to add borders to your table, you can again go here and you can add all borders. So here in this way you can insert table to your Word document. You can change the borders style, you can change the table design, you can change the table layout, and you can also change the writing style within the table. So this is all about today's video. In coming video we will discuss some more interesting topics. Till then, Allah Hafiz.